bastard. What it was, about time ago, gave them up, and they did not know. They could see the situation changing, everybody looking for faces, but they don't know what to expect. Just to water down, weight of living. You can't tell me that I don't have much respect for the people inside of my mind and my heart. Determined to start, and always playing my part. And if you're not on your P's and Q's, you get the backhand, dude. What it was now, I saw these people coming out to the show, and they were like, yo, you wanna get down with us? No, I don't really have a big circle. I just grab my girl, my kids, you know, my family, everybody that love me, and we get out, keep it cool. And we get out and I keep it cool. Cool as it can be. Well, that's always for me. Your boy, Brian P. You in the presence of the Funk Master. The Funk Master. The Funk Master. You dirty bastards. I'm the Funk Master. Keep it going. Get it fast. That's what I've been chewing now. I got these fools over here thinking about something that they don't even know about, and they wondering how I keep from shouting down all of the dumb shit that they got going on now. And it's round, they know from where they supposed to be, all up in my booty, and they love kissing that ass. Come on, you know what it is in the past. It's not mine to give. You just need to change how you live. That's exactly what you need to take into consideration. Hold up, what's that you facing? The wrong direction. Here's the midsection. So I had to pull out all the tools and we got a little bloody. The Funk Master. The Funk Master. You dirty bastards. But you see, I'm still here. The other ones have disappeared, and I cannot let this be the end of me. Toe tag, don't care. It was me or them, and I got the good hair. Gotta protect that shit. Never neglecting that shit. Never neglect it. And I don't want you to think that you could ever make me do something that I don't want. Take the Funk Master, figure out who's in it. Brian P. and Εύζην, he put me on the track. We guarantee top notch, as a matter of fact. Please don't ever step unless you want your knees to be hurting like heck. And I see you got no respect. Back to the end of the line. It's so fine. Brian coming through in on time, doing his best, and he always is. You better believe it. In this kind of dope got me feeling like flow. The Funk Master. Dirty bastards.